We are going all in with Philips Hue lighting. We are planning to set this up for a full backyard lighting experience, including various bulbs and Philips Hue light fixtures, and we are going to hook it all up to our Apple Home Kit. So it works beautifully all together and we can set scenes and do whatever we want. It also works with Matter, Alexa, and Google Home. So this is a smart kit. And let's show you what you get in this starter kit. Here are the bulbs. They're pretty light. Definitely not a bulb you'd want to see. It needs to be covered in some sort of light fixture. But what's cool about these is you can change the color. You can do anything you want with these. These are some smart bulbs. They are white and color 800 lumen bulbs. So I'll show you those shortly. And then this is the bridge. This is the key piece. Nothing will work without this Philips Hue bridge. So you definitely need this if you want your whole smart system to work together. Power cord, and you can wire it directly to your internet. And this is kind of wild. The plug actually has you put it together. It snaps into place, and then you get your plug with your main cord. Comes with a cable, but it's really as easy as plugging it in, adding the lights, downloading the app, and sticking it all together. Let me show you on the other side. We haven't figured it out completely yet, but here are some of the lights already out on display, and it makes our backyard so much more inviting already. It may not look like it, but we added our Philips Hue bulbs to these outdoor light fixtures. They were a really horrible white, no matter what we were trying to do. And now they have the Philips Hue bulbs, so now we can make them whatever color we want. Of course, we're boring and going with a warm orangey color, but it's very inviting, and I'm so glad it gives us that control. We have a long ways to go in moving these around and playing with the colors, but I am really loving what Philips Hue can do.